Welcome back to 20 Car. This isn't a car, it's a geological event on wheels. The 2026 Hummer H1 returns like a moving fault line, tearing through the modern SUV landscape with unapologetic American force and military-bred confidence. The exterior looks hewn from raw intention. Flat body panels, exposed tow hooks, portal axles, and sky-high ground clearance give it the presence of a machine that doesn't ask permission from terrain. LED light bars slice through the darkness, while massive off-road tires stand like punctuation marks at each corner. It's brutal, boxy, and proudly indifferent to fashion. Inside, the revolution is subtle but meaningful. The cabin trades old-school austerity for rugged intelligence. A wide digital dashboard with off-road telemetry, inclinometer displays, terrain camera, and a central touchscreen armored behind thick glass. Materials are washable, impact-resistant, and deliberately overbuilt. Luxury here is survivability. Power comes from a modernized drivetrain, rumored to include a turbo diesel, V8, or a high-output hybrid system pushing around 500 horsepower. Despite its mass, the H1 storms from 0-100 km/h